So hello everyone, welcome back to your own Facebook page. In today's video we are back again with the easy peasy craft series. So for today's video we have taken two different colors of your dough. You can make easily with the help of any color, food color, add in your dough and then knead it so that you can get the desired color dough. And yeah, so for this one looks very nice. Now for making these cute puppy faces with the help of your dough, just roll it as shown here and just do it as shown here, guys. We are here to teach you. Okay, so you can, with the help of your toothpick, done. Now for the next one here is we are making these birds here, or you can call them a hen because they have this little red thing on the top of it, and that's what signifies that it is a hen or the rest of the birds. So yeah, it is a hen. Now just do it as shown here and done. Okay, moving forward, we have to make these bunnies, and who doesn't like bunnies? So for that, just do it. Okay, you just have to take your forks and some chopsticks and a comb, which is obviously for your kitchen purpose, and now you are making a hole. This one looks like we are making a donut, but we are not, so just wait until it's done. Don't judge a thing so too quickly. Cut the dough as shown here. Make your design, and okay, keep doing it until we are doing it so that you will just get your desired product. And trust me, in the end you will be like, oh wow, I think we are making 4 fishes here, but that is what I am thinking. Now you tell me what you thought about it earlier so that I can just see if you and me matches or not, yours and my thinking matches or not, and it's done. Now for the next part, we are rolling it with a rolling pin, and now we are making a pig out of our dough. That is something strange, I must say, because that's quite strange for a person like me, because I never thought my dough to look like a pig though. Okay, whatever. So whoever like pigs or hamburgers, then this is for you guys. Okay, now moving forward, what we are making here is, these are your snails, okay, and these are quite easy to make, I guess. Don't you think? Yeah, so your these things are all ready, and roll it and done. Now for the next part, take your dough, cut it the way shown here from the sides, and what are we making? 3 fishes. Oh yeah. See, I am always right because I've been working on this since a long time, so long enough to know, and you guys know me too because you know I'm always right. Okay, so you tell me what you have thought about these. I am damn sure you guys must have got this one right at least, because you're my audience, guys. You must be right because I am right. Okay. Now with the help of your kneading pin, just roll the dough, and now we are just knitting the dough just like we do with our hairs, and rolling. So I know this one looks like a flower in the end. I am really aware of this fact. Okay, now for the rest of the part, wow, this is something new actually. We do that the other times, but see, we made a flower that with the different techniques. So see, it's okay, bye.